Today, I'm diving deep to find out if my smart gadgets are secretly spying on me. Let's see what I uncover. Smart gadgets have become an integral part of our daily lives. From smartphones to smart home devices, they're designed to make our lives easier and more convenient. We use them to control our lights, thermostats, and even our security systems. But have you ever stopped to think about what these devices are really doing? Many users may not realize that their smart gadgets could be collecting and sharing their personal information without consent. This can include sensitive data like our daily routines, conversations, and even our physical locations. The issue is that most of us don't read the fine print or terms of service, which can be lengthy and confusing. As a result, we may be unknowingly surrendering our personal data to third-party companies. Moreover, some smart gadgets may be collecting data without our explicit consent, which raises serious concerns about surveillance and data exploitation. Smart speakers like Amazon Echo and Google Home are prime examples. They're always listening, waiting for voice commands to control our smart home devices. But what happens to the audio data they collect? Can they really be trusted to keep our conversations private? Smart cameras and wearables like fitness trackers also collect sensitive information, including our physical activity, sleep patterns, and even our heart rates. These devices can potentially spy on us through various means, including audio and video recordings, location tracking, and data harvesting. The data they collect can be shared with third-party companies, used for targeted advertising, or even sold to the highest bidder. This raises serious concerns about our digital rights and the potential for mass surveillance. A recent case study revealed that a smart TV was collecting and sharing its owners' viewing habits with third-party companies without consent. The incident highlighted the real-world implications of the issue and sparked a heated debate about digital privacy. The owner had no idea that their TV was spying on them, and it led to a re-evaluation of their smart gadget usage. To stay safe, it's essential to be aware of the potential privacy risks associated with smart gadgets. Make sure to read the terms of service, understand what data is being collected, and take steps to protect your digital rights. Share your thoughts with me in the comments below. Have you ever had any concerns about your smart gadgets spying on you? Let's keep the conversation going. If you're interested in more insights on technology and privacy, be sure to check out my channel for more content like this, Don Bao T. Forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we drop tech gems every single week here on TechWave 65.